today we are gonna talk about the Amazon Studio Light Kit that I purchased. I will leave the link below. This kit has been such a huge help to all of my fashion design endeavors, and so I highly recommend that you check out this video if you are interested in shooting your own content and you're a content creator. I'm going to go into the details of what comes with the kit and even the price, and also you get to get a sneak peek of an at-home photo shoot that I've done myself. So this is the bag that my lighting kit comes in. It's actually not a big bag, but there's so much stuff in here, so it's crazy to think that everything can fit in here. All right, y'all, so I have now opened the bag. As you can see, the bag is empty, and look at all the stuff that came out of that bag. So I believe this set, first of all, it comes with like 3 of everything, okay? So I have 3, well, we'll start over here. So it came with 3 backdrops. So you have a black backdrop, and these are just cloth, like, you know, cotton, polyester type of material. But this is a black backdrop. There's a white one, and there's also a green one if you wanted to do like cool, like green screen effects, which is pretty nice. It also came with 3 light sets, so actual like lighting kits, like the Softboxes. So those are just like the light bulb holders, and then this is a mixture of like the actual stands for the light stands, and then this over here is the actual backdrop stand or foundation. So that's what you attach the cloth backdrops to. It also came with clips. So I believe it came with 3 clips. I'm missing one. I don't know where it is. I'll find it a little bit later. And then it came with actual light bulbs as well. So that's like pretty cool. So there's so much stuff here. I mean, if you are like a content creator, this is perfect for you, especially with us being in COVID and having to be at home. I mean, this makes it so easy to create content, backgrounds, and all you have to do is, you know how to edit your stuff. But this was such a great buy. I love it so much. And I actually do, excuse my background, but I do have one already set up. I kind of keep one of these soft boxes set up permanently, only because like I'm filming content every week, so it just makes sense to keep it up, and I'll put it up in my studio up there. And then this also came with a selfie stick as well, so I use this a lot. Excuse my mess, y'all, but the selfie stick is super cool. It comes with a holder, and you can actually put, you know, change rotation so that if you needed your phone to be sideways, horizontal, or vertical, this helps with that. This attachment also comes off, and if you have like a camera, you can attach your camera directly to this. So I really like this, and this is set up already because I use this a lot as well. But I mean, this was such a great buy, y'all. Like, I'm so excited to show y'all this. I'm definitely gonna be linking this kit below, but I am about to do a shoot. So I'm gonna actually put together the backdrop, and I'm gonna be using the white backdrop today. So yeah, enjoy that. Alright, y'all, so this is the final product. All in all, it probably took about 10 minutes to put this together. It probably takes less than that, to be honest. I just have not put this up in a while, and so I was trying to figure out what piece goes where, but it was so simple, so easy. I did it by myself. This backdrop, actually comes with like 3 bars at the top, so you can expand this to be a lot wider. So it'll probably go all the way to this wall to cover where that plant is. But I opted to only use 2. One, because it's just me taking photos. I'm not taking photos with like a group of people, so I don't need that much space. And this backdrop, as you can see, it's long, but it's not wide, so it's narrow. So it wouldn't have made sense anyway for me to add that 3rd one. But just so you know, it can expand. You would just need to buy the right size backdrop for it. So I love this, and this is the light bulb, the light box. So this is kind of how it looks from the side. And it comes with like an umbrella and all that good stuff inside of that. That is pretty simple to put together as well. And I love that this kit comes with very detailed instructions with pictures. So if you are a visual learner, no matter what, like, you'll figure this out. So yeah, y'all need to go copy one, okay? This is definitely a good buy, definitely worth the price. And this is something that I will have for years to come, and it will be super useful. So I am about to do a shoot right now, so I might include little snippets of it and final pictures to let you see how it turns out. But yeah, this is pretty much it.